Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Google Pixel 3 against the iPhone XR. So we have the Snapdragon 845 going up against the A12 Bionic, 4GB of RAM versus 3. These are what you could say the budget phones from these two companies. Now with that being said, let's get started. Up first we have the Google Pixel 3. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 4GB of RAM. Then we have the iPhone XR. It has a Retina HD LCD display. It's on the latest version of iOS 12. It has the A12 Bionic CPU and in-house Apple GPU and 3GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the iPhone XR wins by 1 point. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. round 2, the iPhone XR wins by 4 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of these scores. In round 1, the iPhone XR won by 1 point. In round 2, the iPhone XR won again, this time by 4 points. And it just goes to show that the iPhone XR has better RAM management. As for the price difference, the Pixel 3 is £50 cheaper, but the iPhone XR has the new A12 Bionic, and it just boils down to if you prefer Android or iOS. If you have enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you have that bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.